Dylan. It's Saturday morning, driving your MK4.
MK4, baby.
Where are we headed, by the way?
So we're headed to my buddy Alex's shop, Rhino Films and Detailing, and we're getting this puppy tinted. We're gonna go with 18% around the whole, all the windows. A couple things that I've done to this that I haven't showed you guys yet or filmed. I painted the calipers red because the person before me painted them like a burnt orange, and I didn't really like that because it looked like rust. So now they're red for now until I swap out the brakes for bigger brakes. Lowered the front a little bit. Lowered it too much, it started scraping with the new lip that I have. So then I raised it back. Everything's piecing together. Can't wait to get this tint done. And then after that we're doing exhaust. And then we're gonna get some aftermarket wheels for now until we order our BBS lens.
There you have it. And that's a wrap, right? You're gonna get a wrap too?
No, we have arrived. Rhino Films and Detailing. Check this guy out. Whew. Target top, carbon fiber interior. That's what I'm gonna do to mine. Carbon fiber TRD style wing. I'm gonna put in some clips from last week when I was in this thing. It's not the smoothest ride, because I have a 3-puck clutch. Yeah. Carbon fiber. So now we're just waiting, letting the sun bake so that we can tint her. Might go grab some food, but that's what's going on. So I'm editing this video right now, and it's pretty short. I didn't really film too much, but I did film something really cool that I did, or that my stepdad and I did to my Tahoe, which is put in an aftermarket exhaust. Of course, the exhaust that I've been waiting for a long time. So I'm gonna put that footage in here, and then when that's all done, I'm gonna go back to the tint. Little disclaimer, we installed the exhaust and I, for some reason, forgot to get revving footage. But I will get that in the future. It was pretty late when we did install it, so. I've been wanting to put a Corsa exhaust on this Tahoe for probably almost 6 months now. And she's here. Oh, there's my family. Also, look at how beautiful this guy is. Oh my goodness. You already know the vibes. Corona and family in cars. I'd have it no other way. Also, this is still a big mess. But hey, I got a new pressure washer because mine completely gave out on me. I'll try my best to update you and show you the exhaust process and when this thing is done. I would give you a before, but I don't want to heat up the exhaust because we're about to touch it. But you can just imagine what it sounded like. Boring, you couldn't even really hear it. So just get ready for the after. So what are we doing?
We're installing this huge, monstrously looking Corsa. Huge.
Corsa.
We're gonna install this massive exhaust that Dylan's been waiting for the last 6 months. This is some badass system. I mean, look at these tips.
Put your hand on it to show size.
Small hand, of course. Little hand, baby hand.
We have to cut this exhaust out. You can take it out, but then we'd have to remove the control arm. And
you have to move the control arm, a couple of the suspension parts. So I think it's easiest just to cut it because you're not really going to use it again.
Nah, but the thing is I could also cut it, and if we cut it right, we could sell it if someone wants to weld it back together.
True. But yeah, so let's just have fun and start cutting things.
Technical difficulties.
Are you still filming?
Yeah.
All right, we're done. Why is it not working? Reset button. Oh, no, wait. That's not the reset. This is the reset button. All right. Those who don't have the crate know which buttons to press. All right, part 2. What happened here?
Pain in the butt happened. We spent about over an hour trying to get this nut off. take a look at this real quick. Can you get that? Do you see how rusty this is?
That's
And
the
this
one, yeah.
was on the top. So we had to hammer it, loosen it, and twist this whole thing. But we even had to go to AutoZone to get
Sockets and wrenches
the
and
whole
all sorts
9
of
yards.
everything.
We did it. Now we got the new piece on.
Well, I'm glad you didn't take my suggestion on wanting to cut that off.
I wanted to so bad.
The last part of the... That looks exceptional. It's clean. This is the last time you two are gonna be clean because you're gonna get dirty.
Until I ceramic coat them.
Yeah, it's true. So what are we doing now? Look how dirty you are.
Oh my god.
You look like you slept on the outside somewhere. On the street. Sounds good. Look at that. First time firing up. This is the old stuff. This is where we cut it. I never seen you so dirty.
I look bad. Look like I'm wearing makeup. Check out the room, by the way. Yes, Quincy did help. Actually, she did most of the decorating, as you can see. But yeah, this is the room. Fish tank. Yeah, I think we're gonna hang some stuff up on there. But anyway, back to current me. Sheesh. So it is now 3 days apart from what you just watched. Again, I told you, I'm a walker. As soon as I hit the record button, I'm moving. I'm on the go. So looking back at all the footage that I shot, I realized that I didn't show you what the tint looks like. So here's a little look at it. Let me flip the camera. So the tint's looking really nice. Oh, it's a mirror. Yeah, it's exactly what I wanted. I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. So we have this 5-inch banner that goes across the front windshield as like a nice little permanent one of these that I can see through. And yeah, as you can see, it's not too dark from the inside out. So that is super important to me. Never showed you a good look at the car. So I'm going to save that for a future video where I give you a tour of this car, and I'll show you my Tahoe and my Mustang while I still have it. I use the Tahoe as my daily driver. That truck is like my favorite thing. I've got that almost done. I can't wait to show you everything that I've done to that. But I got some big plans for this Supra this weekend. So of course, I'll be filming all that. So if you don't know, which I'm sure you do know, but when you get tint, you can't roll down the window for 3 days. So they put these little stickers over the controls. I got the tint done on Saturday, and it is currently Tuesday. So I've been keeping it here in the garage, just hanging out. Some days I'll pull it out after work to let the sun hit it and dry up any of the tint or the moisture behind the tint. So far, the past couple videos have been pretty car heavy, which I'm stoked about, but again, if you're not into cars, we gotta fix that. I will be posting videos with music, probably this weekend, next week, very soon. Either way, if you guys aren't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I have not said that in so long. I'll see you guys in the next video.